Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Wednesday, September the 14th, 2011. We were mentioning yesterday that the areas that we were looking within the context of a likely move higher, leaning up, we wanted to see the market get above 76. And we knew that the 69 area could possibly be sort of an area where the market would struggle as far as trying to get any higher. 69 is right in here, and that was in essence our high for the regular trading session yesterday. By the way, these are market profiles. That's what occurred yesterday, and this is what occurred today. The one in the middle there is what occurred in the overnight session. So we were looking at either 54, which is down about here, or 59, right about here, as possible support. And you can see that once again we had quite a volatile session overnight. I seem to be focused on Europe, and once again it did dip below that, a lower support, but then had a very strong rally and made new highs overnight, and then opened right here in the regular trading hours. So you can see the market did dip nicely to our support here. It hit 55.25, which is right in between our 54 and 58, turned around and had a good day higher. Took a pause in that 76 area, and then all the way up into just above 95. So that 69 and then the 76 really are likely to act as support. The next support lower is 76, with the market closing in around the 79.80 area. So we're looking at that as our first area of support. And then back down to about 69 for the next support. Resistance is probably right now in the area of around, well, the upper resistance is around 98, and the immediate resistance is in around 87. So those are some of the numbers that we're going to be working with and monitoring the market in the overnight session and then tomorrow's regular trading hours. Here are the profiles from the regular trading hours only. In other words, it does not include the overnight session, and we also use them in our analysis. Here is our software that shows our trades, and you can see that the blue arrows that are showing here with the dashed blue lines, those are all of the long trades that were set up today. You can see we had many of them as the market rallied. Early in the day we did have some short trades, as you can see right here, and right here. The first couple trades that we took, unfortunately, did stop us out on these short trades, which gave us all the more reason to get long. This trade, the market hadn't yet been able to get to the kind of filter that we wanted to get long. So these were our first two short trades here. 3 and 4 we were not able to get in. This one right here because we didn't have the green filter, and this one here the market did not pull back to it, as you can see. We did not take this short trade here, obviously, because of the green filter that we had. This turned out to be a really nice trade. We got in long here, so this is actually our third trade that we actually took today, long from 74.75, and it had a nice move of 4.25 points. As a result, we didn't take these other trades on the long side here. The next long trade was a beauty. It just hit our support right in here, and as you can see, it kind of went sideways for a little bit and then started this really nice rally in here. We ended up getting out of that trade and then getting into this long one here, which we did get stopped on, but of course we made up more for it than this really nice long trade up in here. The long trade that we took right here did also come down and stop us, although this trade we had other means at our disposal as far as trying to get in on that trade with better trade entry location. You can see market did dip down here within a tick of that other long entry, so we just barely missed that one. But on the whole, it held us in the market. You can see the green filter. This is the band at the bottom, and we use this a lot in giving us our intraday or directional bias within the day time frame. And of course, we always try and tie that in with the areas that we were identifying as key support and resistance. You can see the 76 area here This is the resistance area that we've been mentioning. You can see how the market peaked out here several times here, and then as it tested that, it moved above it, came back, found some support, and then she went up again. So that even though we were stopped on this trade, a lot of our traders were not. Mechanically, yes, but most traders not, knowing that holding above this 76 level here really gave us a good indication that the market is likely to move higher. Anyway, so that's some of the things that we're looking at going into trade tomorrow. So thanks for taking the time to view the video. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@emini Day Trader. And we'll see you again tomorrow.